This is nice one. What is this? What, you said that? Grom? Yeah, I wonder what year that is. That's nice. Get one of those. Check them out. The back end look right. It's that purple Prince. That's that Prince purple. Yeah, I like it. Look good in that color. What about one of these? No? No. But I should add that to the channel. Yeah, this is my first love. I used to have a couple of these, the mini bikes. I'm saying it's that big toy.
And if down the road you don't like the...
That's that big Shaw color. Trying to steal big Shaw color.
And if down the road you don't like the...
Kill all tires. You see they come out.
Yeah.
I don't know, I like this. I like that Grom. Somebody help me out. What y'all like? You tell me. What y'all like? That Honda Grom? The third generation? Ketchup? That's that ketchup. Yeah, my tall ass gonna be on this joint like that. Anything, pocket bikes, I gotta get a toy. Oh, this? What's this? What's that, Kawasaki? Oh, that joint look right. Hold up. Let me go get this. What's that, Grom? Okay, look at that yellow chain. How much is that? How much? What the hell is wrong with y'all? Y'all crazy? You tell me what one I'm getting. Since driving like to BRP Mike. Let's go. BRP Blade. The bonus. Why you speeding? Slow down. What you for? To get the footwork.